Be your own best beautiful. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty and I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel. If that sounds like your cup of tea, please consider subscribing and give the video a thumbs up. If you subscribe and you want to see more, turn on your notification bell so you never miss an upload. We're diving right in. I just received my Ipsy glam bags for the month of March. One is actually my mother-in-law's and one is mine. I used to do the Ipsy versus Ipsy every single month, but then my bag started coming way after my mother-in-law's and I felt bad that she didn't get to open her bag. It is what it is. They both come to my address, hence me having both packages. But the preface of this is to see, are they actually listening to us? Are they actually paying attention to our profiles? Yeah. They're also rolling out with the merger between Ipsy and Boxy. I'm still crushed that they didn't call it BoxyCharm. Anybody else? But the preface for this is to say, are they actually listening? Are they paying attention to our profile kind of recommendations and preferences? Hers is light skin, she has green eyes, light hair, and she's semi-comfortable with makeup, but she wants more makeup than skincare. My bag is, I have light to medium skin, dark eyes, dark hair, and I'm very comfortable with makeup, but I want more skincare in my bag. I think I'll go into her bag first. And if you're unfamiliar with the OG Ipsy Glam Bag, this one is $13 monthly. You get 5 travel, try me size items and a cosmetics bag. They are rolling out with some changes. I do have a couple shorts videos up, and if you do receive the bags already, then you would have gotten your own email. So I'll definitely link my videos down below so that you guys can check those out to kind of get an idea of the upcoming changes. So here's our bag. I did get my PR package already in the month and I love the bag. I think it is absolutely stunning. The zipper pulled the kind of opalescence to this. And this month, March 2023, step into your power. This month is an all-out celebration of women's empowerment. As your biggest allies on the journey to self-expression and confidence, we're giving you everything you need to embrace your unique beauty. From a feel-good beauty routine to a community of inspiring women cheering you on along the way. Because when women come together, we're not only powerful, we're unstoppable. So let's dive into her bag. I feel bubble wrap, which that's always a good sign. I feel 2 bubble wraps, so I'll pull both of these out. Already I'm seeing makeup, so I already think that she's going to be very, very happy. Obviously, I can't like open any of this or test any of this for you guys, but I'm sans makeup just in case we can play with something in my own bag. First up is a Estate Baby Girl Miss Me pressed eyeshadow duo, and it's a beautiful little duo. I definitely think she'll like this a whole lot. This is kind of more her tones that she likes. Let me stick that right back in here for her. Another makeup product. Next is the Misho Beauty Single Blush in Iyama. I hope I'm saying that right. Maybe I'm not. I'm very sorry. And, oh yes, very soft. I also think she's really going to love that. Let me stick that right back in the packaging. Next up is an Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. I don't know that she really does her brows a whole lot, but typically if she doesn't like something and maybe I don't like something in my bag, we just swap and we just trade it. Next up is an Amina Babe Tame All Natural Frizz Control Cream. That's kind of getting blown out by the light. Sorry, guys. That packaging is super cute. Also, don't know if she's going to use that, but she did get 3 makeup products so far. And then her last thing in her bag is another makeup product. It is an Illuminati liquid lipstick in the shade Symbol. So she received 1 hair product and then 1, 2, 3, 4 makeup products. They're very beautiful. I think that they're very wearable shades for her, and I think she's gonna love her bag. Maybe not the brow gel and maybe not the hair product. I'm not sure. I obviously can't speak for her, but the bag is hella cute. I think everything is nice in here. I think she's gonna really, really love this. I think that if you're a makeup heavy fan, you probably also would like this version. I'm sticking this right back in her bag so we do not mix anything up. And then let's dive into my bag. And my bag feels kind of thick too this time, so I'm a little bit excited. That's very strange. This is the brand new The Professional Titan Tone Pore Refining AHA PHA Toning Foam. And I'm pretty sure that's full size. And this is a brand new launch. I'm freaking out just a little bit. And I don't get any spoilers, you guys. I don't watch anybody else's unboxings or anything typically until after I've gotten mine. And I didn't see any of these products when I had my PR unboxing either. Same bag, of course. That zipper pull just, it gets me. It's such a beautiful bag. Okay. Of course, we have our little informational card. Next up is the Trust Fund Beauty Nail Lacquer in Got Yacht. That sounds so cute. And I would like to see what color it is. I love painting my nails, so hopefully it's a color I will use and enjoy and love. Ooh, dang it. I love this. But my girl Kate's birthday is coming up, and she loves purple. I don't know if you guys can really tell that it's a dark purple. I don't know if I'm going to keep this, or maybe I'll just ask her if she would actually use it, and then I'll send it her way. But I really like to have that. So skincare and then makeup, nail polish. Y'all consider nail polish makeup? It's a beauty product. Oh, I'm feeling some bubble wrap. I believe I got the exact same estate thing. I'm going to try to read through the paper. Yes, I got the exact same one. I won't keep this. I'll definitely put this in my PIF pile. Next up is a squeeze-a-tube. And a pretty good size, too. Ooh, oh, I love goat milk. This is the Dionys Goat Milk Skincare. Goat Milk Hand Cream. Soothes and moisturizes. And it's in Nutty Vanilla. Ooh, I don't know. I'm not a fan of vanilla unless it is an actual, like, natural fragranced vanilla. Not unnatural and stanky. And then my last product is the exact same liquid lipstick from Illuminati. I will also be paying that forward. So I got skincare, technically skincare, I guess, and then 2 makeup products, and then whatever we consider nail polish. So not super skincare forward. That's pretty damn cool that I'm getting this in here. I am intrigued to see if somebody else got some of these products. Let me know, and let me know if either one of us were your bag twin. I think even though there is some frustration with older product being sent out, repeat products being sent out all the time, I feel like to get a makeup bag and 5 products for $13, I always will still say that I feel like Ipsy is a really good bang for your buck. And I love it for the preface of, if you're a newbie, if you're trying to build your collection and or like me, I would rather pay the $13 for this, which is not a whole lot of money, and be able to pay forward what I won't use, and then test out tons and tons of brand new products. Test out higher end product or maybe products that I've never heard of. Then if I fall in love with them, I can invest and buy the full size. Versus, you know, maybe this full size is $28. I do not want to spend $28 for a lotion that doesn't smell nice or isn't rich and thick and creamy, and then I hate it and I've wasted that money. This equates to about $2.50. So, you know what I mean? I like it for that specific reason. We also go to visit our son quite frequently, so I like to have little minis to take, and I go through them very, very quickly. So I actually love both bags. I'm going to give both bags a 5 out of 5 yellow hearts this month. Who the hell am I this month? Comment down below. What are your thoughts? What do you hope to get? What did you get? I love you, beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.